For Pledge of Allegiance. Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thanks, everyone, for coming, and those that are joining us by Zoom for the special meeting to address indigent person for services for the court system. I need an agenda or approval to approve the agenda.
I so
Motion?
move. Mr. Chair,
Yes,
I so move.
thank you. Joel?
Second.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Please call the roll.
Commissioner Gibbon,
Yes.
Commissioner Aaron's,
Yes.
Commissioner Poppins.
Yes, we have an agenda. Who's taking it? All right, awesome.
Good afternoon, Commissioners. Drew DeGroat from the State's Attorney's Office, seeking board action to approve contracts for the representation of indigent persons with Myers-Billion LLC and Andrew Connect Law. The Myers-Billion contract, as reflected in the attachment, is for $30,000 for a cap of 15 felony cases ranging from Class 6 felonies to Class 1 felonies. The Andrew Connect Law contract contemplates 15 case cap for $20,000 with a range of Class 6 to Class 4 felonies, and I can answer any other questions that you may have.
This is a comfortable number to get us through the end of the year then.
This is a comfortable number to get us through the end of the year. It's a Band-Aid, I guess, until we get to the main contracts, the 3-year contracts that we've established for moving forward.
And our two attorneys that are on the board, I probably has more, obviously more knowledge, but is there something that we can do at the beginning of the year to next year to maybe try to avert an issue like this?
Yep, and I'm going to have discussions with Steve Rasmussen on that. We would like to try and implement an emergency appointment contract that if we would reach capacity for the current contracts that we'll have in place the next 3 years, that we'd have somebody on standby. I think that'd be the best approach instead of trying to, at the last minute, get these put together. I will note that the contracts are retroactive to December 11th. The courts have started appointing the attorneys on felony cases already. If this commission decides not to approve the contracts, those would have to be reassigned, but just for your consideration, they are appointing them already.
Well, I will say that I'm disappointed that the system has to get to this point, but it is what it is, and we have to do our duty. Commissioner Aaron's, any comment on it? Otherwise, I'm going to look for a motion to approve. Not sure if you're hearing us, Joel. Are you hearing us? Let's take a break while we see if he is.
I had a question again. What was the breakdowns again as far as the different felonies? Class 1, Class 4, and what else?
Yeah, so the Myers-Billion contract would contemplate Class 6 up to Class 1 felonies. So Class 1, there's obviously A, B, and C. Those are your higher level felonies. None of our contracts currently contemplate those felonies. The Myers-Billion one will contemplate Class 1 to Class 6. So there's some higher level felonies that are in that contract that they can be appointed to. And that's the reason for the difference in pricing of the contract, is because of their ability to take on the higher level felonies. I shouldn't say ability, but their agreement to take on the higher level felonies, and Mr. Connect had agreed to more of the lower level felonies, and so that is reflected in the contracts.
Thank you.
Let me consult and see if I got to put you on speaker. We're having communication trouble on his end. Will it qualify if I place him on a speaker?
Yes.
Okay, I'm placing you on speaker. Joel, just identify, just so you know, who's on the speaker on my phone, please. Thanks.
Okay, I hear you.
Awesome. So, Joel, do you have any questions on this matter?
No, I don't have any questions. I spoke to the Mr. DeGroat earlier by phone.
Awesome. So, did I have a motion to approve? I'm looking for a motion to approve.
I'll move to approve.
Is there a second?
I'll second it.
Thank you. I have a motion and a second. Is there any further discussion? Any public
Yeah,
comment? Oh, go ahead, Commissioner Aaron's.
Mr. Chairman, all I wanted to say is I had the opportunity to speak with Mr. DeGroat earlier. I consider this a temporary solution to a much larger problem. And I think we as a commission, hopefully, we can get together and spend the first half of next year trying to get a better resolution on this. I think this is a Band-Aid that'll get us through till the end of the year, within the next couple weeks here. But it seemed like there's buy-in from all the stakeholders to want to get together after this. So hopefully we can meet with the judges and the commission, as well as the members of the bar, to get a more sustainable solution. So that's why I'm approving.
Very good. Thank you, Joel. Commissioner Gibbon, any other comment?
No,
All
no
ready for a
further.
vote? Please call the roll.
Commissioner Gibbon,
Yes.
Commissioner Aaron's,
Yes.
Commissioner Poppins.
Yes. That takes us to public comment. Is there anybody in the audience like to speak on an item that is not on our agenda? Seeing none, I'm going to ask for a motion to adjourn.
I so move.
I have a motion by Commissioner Gibbon, a second by Commissioner Aaron's. Please call the roll.
Commissioner Gibbon,
Yes.
Commissioner Aaron's,
Yes.
Commissioner Poppins.
Yes, thank you all for coming in.